Hello guys, right now I'm gonna show you very interesting thing. 1 second. Do you know where am I? 1 second. This is my wife's grandfather's apartment. Unfortunately, this grandfather died 2 months ago, and I decided to show this apartment because we decided to move to this apartment in the future. But before that, we wanna make repairs in this apartment. And I decided to show you this apartment, how people lived in the Soviet Union, because the grandfathers lived in this apartment a long time, and he had very old repairs in this apartment. And I just wanna show you different old things from Soviet Union, these old repairs. Unfortunately, we threw away different lots of things from this apartment, like furnitures and other different things and so on. But of course, right now we have some these old things from Soviet Union, and I want to show you all these things. So by the way, for example, in this room, yesterday I started to make repairs in this room, and this kind of approach, we will make repairs in every rooms. And why, for example, you can ask me why we decided to move to this apartment, because as you see, this apartment has 3 living rooms. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Yes, for example, here, over there, bedroom over there, toilet and kitchen, as you see. Gas stove, very old, from Soviet Union, as you see. Yes, gas stove, very old. All these things, as you see, are from Soviet Union. Very old. This gas stove, about, I don't know, maybe 40 years old. 40 years old. All these things from Soviet Union. By the way, different old photos from Soviet Union. Newspaper from Soviet Union, I can show you. Look at this. Newspaper from Soviet Union. In Belarusian language, by the way. From Soviet Union. Wow, it's very interesting. In Belarusian language. Yes, newspaper. So, also you can ask me who will make repairs in this apartment. Of course, I will make repairs in this apartment with my father-in-law, with my wife, but mostly, my father-in-law has very good friends, and these friends are professionals who make very good repairs in apartments. And we decided to ask there to make repairs in this apartment, because I think that if you are professional in this thing, you can make repairs more beautiful, more convenient, and so on. By the way, look at this, how much we have different things from Soviet Union. This is from Soviet Union. Books from Soviet Union, very old books, different. Oh my god. Wow. This is also from Soviet Union. All these things from Soviet Union. Very old. Clothes. Also clothes from Soviet Union. Look. This furniture, this table, this is a table, and it's very, very common and popular furniture, very popular table from Soviet Union. We call it like stol-knижka, because when we invite our friends, our parents, and when we celebrate some very good holiday in our life, we use exactly this kind of table. And this table is very, very popular, very, very, very common from Soviet Union. Even right now, in nowadays, we sell this kind of table in our shops. Yes, this is also from the Soviet Union. Oh my God. I don't know why. Of course, I told you that we threw away different things from this apartment. Unfortunately, I haven't showed you these old furnitures, old things from this apartment, and of course we sold different old things from this apartment. And I don't know why old people from Soviet Union liked to collect all these things, lots of things. And these things are unnecessary. I don't know why they liked to collect unnecessary things in their life. Lots. Wow, look, I can show you. Look at this. This is also one of the very old things from Soviet Union. Look. Look at this. What is that? I don't know how to call it like in English language, but I hope you know what is that. It's very, very old thing. And by the way, this thing is new because I don't know who used this thing in their life, but it's very, very old and at the same time very interesting thing from Soviet Union. Also very interesting thing from Soviet Union. People from Soviet Union very often used exactly two doors in their apartment. Look, door number 1 and door number 2. As you see. Yes, 2 doors. I think that people used exactly 2 doors because they wanted to save warm in their apartment. And for example, nowadays we don't use exactly 2 doors, only 1 door. This is also from Soviet Union, this jacket. Yes, from Soviet Union. All these things from Soviet Union. Sorry that I repeat this expression Soviet Union quite often, but it's really very interesting. Yes, what I can show you. So let's go to their balcony, and over there I will show you also very interesting things. Old things from Soviet Union. By the way, this is a school, child school, where my daughter studies now. Look. Lots of different old things. So when we will make repairs in this apartment, of course, I will try to show you how we make these repairs, how we try to change this apartment, and of course, when I will make repairs in this apartment, I will show you our repairs. So it was quite short video, like vlog, because right now I will make repairs in this apartment. I will throw away different old things from this apartment, and so if you liked this video, if you liked my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would like, and bye bye.